So today we're looking at the OlarHike luxury airbed. It's pretty tall at 13 inches high. It's got its own built-in pump and it looks pretty durable as well. This mattress uses air coil beams to create superior head-to-toe support. It has leak-resistant inflation and it's made with a waterproof material, which makes it great for travel. Let's get it open and take a closer look at it. Comes in a carrying case right here. Looks like it has two 1-inch straps here. A string with a cinchy thing here so it can hold this in place. And it comes wrapped up in plastic. Looks like it has a pretty strong underside here. There's a large manual use valve here, as well as the built-in air pump. It can inflate that way and deflate this way. And it has a compartment for the cord right here. I like the nice contrast between the top and the bottom here. Let's get it pumped up and see how long it takes. Okay, we're gonna set it to inflate and then we're gonna start the timer. So here we go. So there you go, a little over 2 minutes and it's already nice and filled up. So I'd say of all the inflatable air mattresses I've ever been on, this definitely has the softest top to it. And it's nice and firm and it fills up quickly. And it's just super comfortable. At 13 inches high, it's nice and off the ground. Not as high as some other mattresses, but higher than others. It's right about in the middle, I'd say. So a really nice mattress. Last thing to check, how quickly does it deflate? So there's two ways to deflate this one. We have a valve here, as well as an auto deflate on the pump. So I'll just hit the timer and then open them both up. So there you go, it took about 2 minutes and 20 seconds to deflate it. So it's about as comfortable as air mattresses get. It's high off the floor and made of really nice material, large enough for 2 people. And I love that it has the built-in pump as well as the ability to do it manually. So you can both inflate this and deflate this, whether you have access to power or not. So this is a great air mattress and it could be the right one for you.